So today we are going to do money ritual. Why we do money ritual? We do money ritual to attract money, as everybody want money, so we do this ritual to attract money. When you are doing this ritual, you have to be positive. Just don't think how money will come, from where money will come, and all those things. You should not think. You should be positive. So what we all need is cinnamon powder, cinnamon stick, water, and incense stick. We'll start with the smudging first. We have to do smudging like this. Why we do smudging is to clear the negativity near you, to open the pathways. So we have to do like this. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly. And before this, you have to make affirmation that money is coming to you. I am receiving unlimited abundance from many sources. I am receiving unlimited abundance from many sources. You should not be negative. When you are doing this, just don't think anything except this, that money is coming to you. When you are doing all these things, you should just think that money is coming to you. Just visualize that money is coming to you. Everything is fine. We are done with the smudging now. Just take care of the smudging. You should not fall on the currency notes, otherwise it may burn also. What we have to do is now we have to dip our finger in the water and just take the cinnamon powder like this, and we have to make 5 lines on the currency notes like this. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly, abundantly. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly, abundantly. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly, abundantly. I am receiving unlimited abundance from different sources. I am receiving unlimited abundance from different sources. I am receiving unlimited abundance from different sources. I am receiving abundance from different sources. We have to do like this only. Then we have to just leave the currency notes like this, because this cinnamon powder is little wet also. Now what we have to do is, now we just keep it like this only. Now we have to do the second ritual. I'll show you how to do. You don't need to do both the rituals. You need to do only one ritual. As I'm showing you both the ways, just we need to take the cinnamon stick and we have to again make the 5 lines. Okay? And while you're doing this, just keep thinking that money is coming to you. Money is coming to you. So we'll start. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly. 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 I am receiving unlimited abundance from many sources. I am receiving abundance from many sources. Then we have to wait for money to get dry. And whenever you do the ritual, you have to do from up to down, like from your side. Money is coming to you only, okay? When this will be dry, what you need to do is, you have to fold the currency notes like this towards you, because money is coming to you. And you can keep this money in your pocket, in a wallet, in your lockers, like we call it tijori, right? So we can keep it there also. Let the incense sticks burn. And what you will do with the money, if you wanted to spend it, because you don't need to keep the money with you, you have to spend it. You can give donation to anyone, you can buy something with this, or you can give to anyone. Or what you can do is, you can buy something which you can keep it near to the god. Or you just don't need to keep this money with you in the pocket. You have to spend this money. Like if you spend this money, you will receive more money. So it's very important to spend this money. Just don't keep it with you. If you're thinking like that, if you keep it with you, that money will keep coming, because money attracts money. If you spend, you will get more. So after getting dry, you can do how I told you. And you can do this ritual on new moon, every Monday and Thursday, and on starting of the month. Okay? And thank you guys for watching this and joining my class and my workshop too. And you can follow me on Facebook. You can find the page with the name of Alakriti, and we have one group also with the name of switch words and Zebu symbols. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye. Take